This video will guide you through how to assemble your 15.6-inch Cozyla calendar. Everything you need for setup is included in the box. First, take a moment to make sure all parts are included. Start by placing the upper desk stand horizontally, with the logo facing down. Next, take the lower desk stand and align it with the screw holes on the upper stand. Insert one screw and lightly tighten it to hold the position. Then secure the remaining screws, keeping everything properly aligned. Once assembled, rotate the desk stand 180 degrees into its working position. Now, unpack the device and remove the protective film. Carefully pass the power cord through the upper desk stand, then plug it into the device. And that's it. Your Cozyla calendar is ready to go. The device supports both portrait and landscape modes, so you can use it in a way that works best for you.